Hello everyone, welcome back to Shraddha One Stop English. I am your English teacher Raghavinder. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the face sheet of the very first lesson from class 7 and unit 1. The title of the unit is The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Let us first look at the two pictures and answer the questions that follow. What is the first question? Write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. The two pictures are about a town and a village. The first picture is about a village and the second picture is about a city. You see many differences in both pictures. In villages, there are small houses, but in city, we see big buildings, apartments and towers touching the sky. In villages, the roads are kacha and the roads also very small. In cities, we see broad roads, flyovers and traffic system. You can also find different types of vehicles on the city roads. There are different modes of transport like roadways, railways and airways. Facilities are available in the cities. The atmosphere is clean and pollution free in the villages. We can enjoy the beauty of the nature in the villages. But whereas in cities, everywhere, air pollution, sound pollution and water pollution causing many diseases. People in the villages depend more on agriculture, but in cities, there are many employment opportunities available in the cities. Now, let us understand the second question. Where do you think life is peaceful? Why? I think the life in the village is peaceful because the people are kind, helpful and friendly. They cooperate with one another and they share their sorrows and joy. You can also enjoy the beauty of the nature in the villages. So, in my opinion, the village life is peaceful. Now let us move to the third question. Do animals feel the same like you? I don't know whether the animals have the same feeling. In my opinion, animals get fodder more in the villages. They have big areas for grazing in the villages. Our wishes may be different from animals. So, we can't exactly say about their feelings. Now let us have a look on both village and city life. You see the village atmosphere. Now let us have a look on both village and city life. The soul of India lives in villages as 60 to 70% of the population lives in the villages. A village is far away from the pollution and noise of the city. Moreover, there are green trees, variety of crops and diversity of flowers. People are dedicated to their work as they do hard work in their professions. The entire village lives in peace and harmony and there is no conflict of any kind too. They come forward to share others' sorrows and happiness and they are helpful nature. The villages, you see greenery everywhere. Life in village is enjoyable and peaceful. The life in the village is full of contentment and happiness as people are not in a hurry like in the city life. They live very simple life. The beauty of the sunrise and sunset will have lasting impressions on the minds of villagers. The beauty of the nature can be experienced in the village as it is surrounded by trees, flowers, mountains and streams and farmlands. One can feel the freshness of the breeze, beautiful scenes of nature, fresh air, hospitable people and quiet life always welcome us to live and spend some moments in the villages. Now you look at the city life. Each year, millions of people migrate to urban cities in search of employment opportunities and also due to economic reasons. Let us look at the facilities prevailing in the cities. The first reason is transport. The cities generally have well-structured transport system like road, rail, air and waterways of transport. They use personal vehicles, taxis, trains, metros and aeroplanes. The roads are big and wide with a traffic signal system for the smooth flow of traffic. There are better communication facilities, business opportunities, employment sources available in the cities. The public amenities like education system is better with skilled teachers and excellent facilities. You can have the access to KG to PG education. There are also many hospitals and medical facilities throughout the cities offering the services 24 by 7. In addition, there are many entertainment and recreational venues in the cities like nightclubs, cinemas, coffee shops, restaurants and amusement parks, museums where people go to relax and enjoy. Housing is also better in the city than in the rural. Houses have standard designs with good drainage system. City houses are accompanied with modern amenities like ACs, gardens, clubhouses, security, lift facility. To add on that, with just a click of the button, city dwellers can get whatever they want. They may purchase everything online. Let us now watch a small conversation between the two children about the city life and the country life.
Hello Vaibhav, how are you?
Hi Vaishnavi, I am fine. And what about you?
I am fine. When did you come back from your village?
I returned from my village yesterday.
Do you like village life?
Yes, of course. I always miss village life and I often go there for refreshing my mind.
But I don't like village. In city, we have many facilities.
Yeah. Right. There are no modern facilities, but nature is still fresh, calm and quiet.
Village people are illiterate. The roads are small and stink.
You know, city life is also full of air, water and noise pollution.
We have tall buildings touching the sky. Modern facilities also available.
That's true, but traffic jam, busy life, pollution make city life a headache. What about village people? The village people have love, affection, kindness. They help one another too. We don't have facilities, but we have peace in villages.
Yes, you are right. The natural beauty and village people always welcoming us. By the way, I have to take leave from you.
Okay, thank you very much for spending time with me. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you.
So, after this discussion, which place is better to live? It is $1,000,000 question. One of the biggest debates humans have is whether city life is better than village life or vice versa. Each area represents the opposite of the other, and the advantages of one are actually the disadvantages of the other. So, it is up to you. You have to decide which place is better, whether village or town. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I will be back with another video. Until then, bye.